Welcome to Coron, Palawan, and today is a travel day, so let's put the mask back on and get on the plane. Made it back to Manila, but after recheck my bag here, and then we're headed to Boracay. Super excited for this place, white sandy beaches. I'm gonna use this time to actually edit videos, but we have to go back through security. Somebody that lives in the Philippines, please tell me why at the airport you have to go through security twice. I entered Terminal 4, showed my ticket to security guard, went through security, checked in my luggage, and went through security again. The same machines, and now I'm waiting for my plane. Somebody in the comments let me know. So we made it here, but apparently this is not Boracay yet. I have to actually take a taxi to the pier and then take a boat to Boracay, the island. So let's see where we end up. I don't think I've ever seen a baggage claim where you just go up and pick up your bag. That's wild. So now I'm about to take a bus to the port, and then from there a boat. So 1,050 pesos from the airport to the port, from the port to the boat, and then from the boat to Boracay, and they're taking me to my hotel. So we made it to the port here in Catalan, but when you're here at the port, you have to have a QR code to actually go to the island of Boracay. Make sure you download this QR code or else you're not going to be able to get on a boat. That is literally the boat I'm going on to the island. So I finally made it here to Boracay, but I still have to make it to my hotel. And I'm definitely lost and confused, but I'm definitely following the group of the people. Seems like just follow the people in the orange jackets that are with the tour group, and somehow I'll end up in my hotel. But this is pretty much just like following random people and just telling them the name of your hotel. Fairways? Okay, yeah, follow me.
Like your shirt, sir.
Oh, appreciate it.
It's cool.
Have you seen the movie?
What movie?
Boys in the Hood?
No, sir.
Oh, you gotta look it up. Boys in the Hood with Ice Cube.
Alright.
It's a good movie. Finally, today's travel day is over with. I took a plane from Coron, Palawan to Manila, another plane from Manila to Cataclan, I think that's how you say it, and then from there I took a bus from the airport to the port. From the port I took a boat, and then from there I took another vehicle. And the biggest travel advice I can give you if you're coming to Boracay is make sure that when you get to the airport you pay for the all-inclusive transportation package. So 1,050 pesos, I got transported from the airport to the port, and from the port a boat to the island of Boracay, and then from there I got picked up with another shuttle, and they took me to my hotel. One last thing, it is time for another hotel room review. Let's go. So we have two queen size beds. We love to see it. We love to see it. A closet with some hangers. Gotta have a door. Now this is the restroom. We love the LED lights. And let's say hi to Davion again. And we have a toilet. Oh, this one has a door for the shower. Okay. Shower head. Ooh, handheld shower. I like it. Okay, waterworks. We will like this. We like the sink. Oh, blow dryer. Oh, and close-up mirror. We love those. And we have a balcony. If I can figure out how to open this. Okay. Wow. Okay, this is a pretty great, stunning view. Sadly, it's not the ocean or the sea, but it's great. Oh, there's a pool down there. And there's a swim up bar. Look at this. And then we have a mini fridge, and this is not inclusive. And we have a mini fridge, and none of this is complimentary, so here are the prices. Oh, they have a Royale? What is this? Oh, beer. We have some Sprite.